Are you wanting to jump on Pinterest for your business, or are you already on Pinterest, but it doesn't seem to be working for you? Or are you curious about using Pinterest for your business? If any of these questions, or maybe even all of these questions, resonated with you, then definitely keep watching. Can you believe I have been on Pinterest for my photography business since 2009, back when it was invite only and still in beta? They actually officially launched in 2010. And you know what? I didn't keep all that Pinterest goodness to myself. Nope. I helped my wedding pro friends and biz besties figure it all out. And then I launched Jen Vasquez Media in 2018 so that I can help even more people. Since 2018, I have been teaching Pinterest, but let's be real. I feel like I've been bouncing between answering questions that people ask all the time or news or new tools on Pinterest. But fear not, I have decided to take all of you business owners on my personal journey of business for Pinterest 101. Over the next several weeks, you're going to be able to go video to video and get all the help you need to master your Pinterest like a pro. What happened to me was this weekend, I was thinking, you know what? I really haven't done a complete A through Z Pinterest 101 type education. And so anybody starting from scratch or wanting to make sure that you optimize your Pinterest and start actually using it to grow your business, these videos are going to definitely help. Whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned pro, there will be something for everything in this series. And to be honest, there is a lot of conflicting and old information out there about Pinterest. That's why I always say if Pinterest advice that you're listening to is older than 6 months, take it with a grain of salt because it could be outdated information, kind of like wearing platform shoes, although I think maybe they might be coming back. So let's just start at the very beginning, shall we? We're going to dive into all the juicy tweaks and details that'll take your Pinterest business account from boring to mind-blowing and from not quite there to as effective as possible to get the most reach so you can skyrocket your business leads. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this ride. So buckle up, my fellow pinners, and let's dive in. So first, why use Pinterest? Well, let me tell you, there are countless reasons why Pinterest is a must-have tool for your business, but let me hit you with some hard facts that will have you jumping on the Pinterest train in no time. First, Pinterest had 450 million monthly active users in February of 2023. Data published in the company's most recent investor earnings report shows that Pinterest's monthly active users have grown steadily over the past 3 months. The total number of people that use Pinterest each month has increased by roughly 5 million in the 3 months leading up to February of 2023. There is also less competition on Pinterest for business. Let me explain. If you look at the other social media platforms, TikTok has 1.051 billion monthly users, Instagram 2 billion, YouTube 2.514 billion, Facebook 2.958 billion, and as I had previously mentioned, Pinterest has 450 million. So way less competition and a whole lot more room for growth. The United States has the largest amount of users or pinners at 93 million. And a bonus about Pinterest, and my personal favorite, is that it is the ultimate low energy social media platform. There are no bullies here, just good vibes and inspiration. It's a place where you can go to change your life and discover new ways of doing things. Talk about positive energy. But here's the best part. Pinterest is the easiest social media platform. My clients spend about an hour scheduling out their pins, and then they have the next week or two covered. And the best part, it gives the biggest bang for your time buck. Trust me, you will not want to miss out on all the benefits that Pinterest has to offer. Here are some more stats that will shock and encourage you to try Pinterest for your business. Is the lifespan of a pin compared to other social media platforms? So if you take any post on any social media platform, I'm going to give you the stats on how long that post sticks around for. Would you rather spend hours and hours and hours on Instagram and continually have to create content? or spend about an hour a week and have pins last for years. That's right. I have several pins that are still popular from 2014. Yikes for photography, but amazing for content and driving traffic to your website year after year. Here are 2023 stats for social media platforms, the lifespan. TikTok, sadly, is negligible unless you go viral in terms of it lasting. Typical TikTok people are doing 3 videos a day to really find some growth and driving people to their business. Facebook is 1.75 hours. Instagram, 20 hours, but it could stretch out a little bit more if a reel goes viral. LinkedIn, about 24 hours, YouTube, 8 hours, and Pinterest, 3.8 months. I know, it's shocking. Next, let's move on to Pinterest business account versus a personal account. It is imperative to have a business account if you want to use Pinterest to market your business. One is to convert your personal account to a business account, and the second way is to create a new account as a business account. Here's a pro tip to considering whether you're going to do a personal account and convert it to a business account or create a brand new business account. Consider if you want to manage 2 accounts. If you don't, and it seems very overwhelming, trust your instincts and just convert your personal account to a business account because you can still pin your personal pins. You're just going to pin them to a secret board so it doesn't affect the analytics of your business account. So, to convert your personal Pinterest account to a business account, you're going to go to business.pinterest.com and click the Convert to a Business Account button. Then you're going to enter your personal account information and click on Convert button. And then you're going to follow those instructions to complete the process of converting your account to a business account. To create a business account, a new business account, so you'll be following 2 accounts, your personal and your business, you're going to go to the same website, business.pinterest.com, and click on the Create a Free Business Account button. Again, you're going to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process of setting up your business account. To sum it all up, Pinterest is a very powerful tool for businesses with over 450 million monthly active users and less competition compared to other social media platforms. It's a low energy platform that provides inspiration and positivity, and it's also incredibly easy to use with an hour of scheduling out your pins, enough to cover you for the next week or two. Plus, pins have a much longer lifespan than on any other social media platform. And we've also discussed the importance of having a business account on Pinterest and how to create one. In this Pinterest 101 series, we're going to take you through everything you need to know about Pinterest for your business. We're going to cover topics such as optimizing your profile, crafting killer pins, mastering Pinterest SEO, and how to read the analytics so that you can know how to take your business to the next level. So buckle up and get ready to take your Pinterest game to the next level. Amount of traffic and leads to your business.